Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware. Make sure your CPU supports VTX or AMD, and then enable that option in BIOS or UEFI. Once done, pick the Android build you want, Android x86 or a commercial distro like Prime OS, or use a VM image if you prefer sandboxing. Make a bootable USB 8 GB or larger with Rufus or Etcher, and back up your laptop first so you can restore if anything goes wrong. This gets you ready to install. No delays, just essential prep. Now boot the laptop from the USB stick, choosing UEFI or legacy mode based on your system, UEFI for most modern machines. Select installation rather than live mode to write Android to disk. During setup, create or select an ext4 partition and install grub when asked. That lets you dual boot versus wiping the drive. After installation completes, configure Wi-Fi, choose your keyboard layout, and decide whether to install Google Apps or use Micro G for privacy. Make sure power and network drivers initialize. To finish, remove the USB and reboot, select Android from your boot menu, and complete the on-device setup screens. Once running, adjust display scaling and input settings, install Play Store or chosen App Store, and run system updates to get drivers and security patches. If you plan to tinker, enable developer options. If anything goes wrong, say it won't boot, check BIOS boot order, disable secure boot, and retry with a different ISO or creation tool. That single troubleshooting step fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.